Once a female patient aged around 65 to 70 came to our OPD. She wanted to return one of her medicines which she purchased from our hospital, and as per our hospital policy, if you have purchased medicine within 3 months of span and if you have the bill for that and if you get it signed by any of the consultant, that medicine can be taken back and money is given back. So I signed that one and I gave that one, and lady went to the medical store and she came back saying that the medicine was not taken. Why? Because it was a kashaya and the bottle was opened. So opened medicines, open bottle cannot be taken back. And the patient was very angry and she started talking angrily with our PG, and that anger, that conversation got converted into like a quarrel. Then she told the PG that you only keep this medicine, I don't want it. Saying like that, she gave the medicine and she went. All in our OPD, all the PGs and interns were talking like how arrogantly she was behaving. Why she was angry on us, even though we have not treated her. She was expressing all her anger on us, like that they were talking, and immediately I felt something and I asked our PG to call the patient back and we will return the money. So when the patient came back, there something very important happened. So this incident has got a beautiful or very important lesson for every medical professional. So to learn that lesson, watch this video completely. It is surely going to give you a beautiful lesson that is very essential as a medical profession. Namaste friends, myself Dr. Mahesh Savalagimath. I am practicing Ayurveda dermatology and teaching Ayurveda since 13 years, and welcome to my channel, Dr. Mahesh speaking. One of my role model teachers, Dr. C.M. Sreekrishnan, he is from Kerala, retired professor and HOD. Right now he is the managing director and chief physician at Dhanvantari Ayurveda Bhavana, Thrissur, Kerala. He always used to tell us that there is no disease, there is the deceased. So treat the deceased, not the disease. We need to treat the patient, not the disease. See, when we treat the patient rightly with affection and all, then treating the disease becomes very easy. So this lesson, what he told us, what he taught us, that I remember on that day. So when that patient came back and when our PG gave the money back to her, she started crying. All in our OPD who were telling that why she was behaving very rudely with us and all got silent. There was complete silence in our OPD and she started crying. When we asked why she is crying, actually she needed some money. She was in need of money and she asked her son to give money. And he said, recently I have paid you so much for your medicines. Now I don't have any money. If you want money, you only return any of the medicine and get the money back. So the anger she was expressing, it was not actually the anger, it was her helplessness. We as a medical professional, we need to keep always this in our mind. When patient is expressing such things, it's not actually the anger, it is the frustration, the suffering they are going through. So when she got that money back, she was very happy. There was a big smile on her face and she went off. And all in our OPD who were like telling that very rudely patient was behaving, all became silent. And one of them asked me, sir, how you felt that she was having such problem? See, we say many times it happens, one of those things like gut feeling. So I felt like that, and that was actually the reality. In Chanakya Niti, we get a very beautiful quote. It's one of my favorite quotes from Chanakya Niti. What it says, उत्पन्न पश्चातापस्य बुद्धिर्भवति यादृशी तादृशी यदि पूर्वं स्यात् कस्य न स्यान् महोदयः. उत्पन्न पश्चातापस्य बुद्धिर्भवति यादृशी means once we regret something, once we feel that what we have done is wrong and how our mindset will be there after regretting something we have done. So, tadrishi yadi purvam syat. What if we get that mindset before we commit such things? Isn't it very beautiful if we get that mindset before we do something like that? So we are never going to do such things because we are getting that mindset. And further he says, Kasyana Syan Mahodaya. How can anybody stop that person to become a good person or a great person? So this is very essential. We need to have this kind of mindset as a medical professional. I will tell you one more incident. A girl aged 21 or 22, and she came to on her own she came to our OPD with the complaint of psoriasis. She was suffering from psoriasis since some 7-8 years. And when she came to our OPD, when I asked about the details about the patient and what she is having and all, she started, she explained little bit about the complaints, and she started then angrily saying that no medicine works, all doctors are same, you are also like that only, you all are making me to waste my money. I am spending lots of money on doctors and I am not getting any result. Like that she went on saying. And I was, in silence, I was listening to her and I was writing everything, and I even wrote the prescription. And finally she said, if you give me 100% guarantee, I will take your medicine, otherwise I don't want. Then I said that it's not possible, you cannot guarantee anything. So we cannot guarantee that you will get 100% benefit with this medicine, but it will work. As per Ayurveda principles, we treat, and we are treating since 13 years and it works. And she said, then I don't want your medicine, and she went off. And again our PGs, interns and all, again same, that why this patient was behaving so rudely, even though we have not at all treated her previously. First time she is coming to our OPD and she is rudely, angrily behaving with us, and she is expressing her anger on us. On that day, again I told our PGs that it is not the anger, always consider that it's not the anger, it is the frustration. 22-23 age means it is the marriage age, and she may be in her family, they may be planning for her marriage, and because of this skin condition she is not able to. So it is the suffering, the pain she is going through. Because of that pain she is expressing her frustration in the form of anger, and she may not be having anybody else to express, so she was expressing that on us. And I felt like none of them got convinced with that. We were about to close the OPD and she came back and she said, okay doctor, as you are telling it works, I will take. Like as if she is doing a favor to me. So I said, okay, you take, and you take medicines like this and all. So she went, and after some 15 or 20 days, I think it was 20 days, all the same we were in OPD and all same PGs and interns were there. And she came back, and she came and sat on the consultation chair. One of our PG recognized the patient and said, sir, this is the same patient now which got angry on us on that day. I think she heard that one and she started crying. Now I said, I just told the patient, why you are, I asked her, why you are crying? We have not said anything like that. She started even crying loudly. I told her, like, don't cry like that, other patients will feel something else. So she said, I'm very sorry, I behaved very rudely, I was very angry on you all, even though you have not done anything, and I'm very extremely sorry for that, because I was not getting any result from previous medicines. I was spending lots of money. I have already spent lots of money. Like that she went on telling, and finally she said, with your medicine in span of 20 days I am getting comfortable. I am feeling comfortable, I am getting some of the signs and symptoms are reducing, and I am feeling better. So now I have full confidence on your medicine, and I will take medicines as long as you suggest like that. And I said, don't feel bad, it happens, we know that you were actually not angry on us, it was the disease that made you to feel like that. So she was very happy, and she took the new prescription, and with a big smile, thanking all, she went. Now our students got convinced, and they were telling that, yes sir, in future we will do like this. Whenever patient is behaving like, I am not telling that patients behaving angrily on the doctors is always right, but we need to be we need to understand that we are doctors, healthcare professionals, means we should have humanity first. Commerciality comes second. So that humanity is very essential. It is not taught in any medical school or anywhere. We need to learn it. We need to inculcate it in our day-to-day practice, and gradually we are going to learn it. And that may be the reason why Acharya Charaka says there are 4 kinds of vrittis of Vaidya. Maitri Karunyam Marteshu, Shakye Preetir, Upekshanam Prakastheshu Bhuteshu, Vaidya Vrittir Chaturvideti. Means he says that Maitri Karunya. Maitri and Karunya, these two are very important. That we need to behave, we need to treat the patient friendly, with affection, and we should have that a kind of karuna. We need to have that karunya. We need to understand the pain, suffering of the patient. If we do like that, I am very sure that if we inculcate these qualities in our life, I am very sure that that person will become a very successful physician. It's not only with medical profession, all professions. Even if it is a consumer-customer kind of relation, when a customer goes to buy something, that person is not buying it because he is having lots of money. He is in need of something that he wanted to purchase there. It's his or her need that is making that person to pay the money which is earned by lots of hard work. So we need to value that one. It's not always commerciality. We need to be thinking on humanitarian grounds. So humanity is very essential, and each and every medical professional should have this quality in our life, and we 100% become successful. Hope all of you, whoever is listening, will learn something from this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and share with all your friends and family. And thank you for watching the video. See you in next video. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.